up, baby? Welcome to Jazz and Marty. I'm Marty, and if you've been with the channel for a while, you know that I'm a huge wrestling fan. So the wrestling community lost one of its most creative and iconic characters in Windham Rotunda, aka Bray Wyatt. So as a community, we're all grieving this loss. So today I want to take that and kind of use that grief, you know, as therapy and make something that honors the man. So today we're going to be attempting to make the Wyatt family lantern. So like I said, Bray Wyatt used to come down to the ring with a lantern. We're going to try and make a lantern to put on our set back here, you know, as a little display piece. All right. So without any further ado, if you find anything helpful in this video, or if you like what I'm throwing out, please consider hitting that subscribe button and a little like button and a little notify bell. It helps out the channel a whole lot. It's super duper free, and without any further ado, let's hop into it. So here's what you need. Alright, really quick. So if you're looking to donate to Windham Rotunda's family, I know that WWE, all of Bray Wyatt's merchandise, all the proceeds from that are going to his family. I have a shirt coming, so if you wanted to donate, you can check out WWE shop and purchase you some Bray Wyatt stuff, and that money will go right to the family. Now, I don't know how long they will be doing it before, but to my understanding, it's still going on right now. Alright, so everything that I use in this video, I'll put a link down below where you can find something that's like it or similar. Okay, alright, so the first thing that you're going to need is a lantern. Now, I found mine at Walmart. It only ran me about 10 bucks. The next thing you're going to need are small puck lights. Those also came from Walmart, ran me about 5 bucks. Alright, you're going to need glue gun and glue sticks. You're also going to need bronze spray paint. You're going to need frosted glass spray paint, and then finally you're going to need some tape. Alright, now that's pretty much it. Let's get this thing started. Alright, hold on real quick, I almost forgot. You also need a piece of cardboard. You're also going to need some scissors, and you'll need a pen and or marker to draw with. Alright, now that's it. Let's get this thing started. Okay, first thing we want to do is we want to grab our lantern, and we want to remove this glass piece here and all of the paper and excrements that's on it. To remove the top piece from the lantern, you want to put the handle in this position. Grab this here and then just lift it up, and this just comes right out. Now, yours may have a wick in it. I already removed the wick, which was right here. All I did was take this off, pop the wick right out. Now that everything's removed, we can take our spray paint and we can go outside and spray paint this bad boy. And when you finish, you should have something that looks like this. I took the little wick part that was out of here, the little round piece. I just took that right on out. That way, it can be flat for when we glue our puck light in here, all right? Okay, next I'm gonna grab my piece of cardboard, and I'm gonna place my glass part that was on the inside of my lamp, and I'm gonna trace this small circle onto my cardboard. And now I can cut it out. Alright, and when you finish, you should have something that looks like this. Alright. Now we can grab our puck lights. Let's make sure everything works. Now we can hot glue one of our puck lights to our cardboard cutout. Then we can hot glue our cutout into this area right here. Okay, next we're gonna take our glass insert and our frosted spray paint, and we're gonna spray paint it. Now, I added a piece of electrical tape back here. You can add some masking tape, but I'll show you what this is for in a second. But this will be considered the back of our lamp. All right, let's go spray paint this thing. All right, and when you finish spray paint, you should have something that looks like this. All right, now I left this piece of tape right here on so that when we go to use the remote, if this didn't register with the frosted glass, like the little remote, then this little spacing right here will leave it clear. That way the remote can register. All right. And this part, like I said, will always be in the back, so when it's in the front like this, you won't see it. All right, y'all. Next, we can grab our lamp and our hot glue, and we can hot glue our puck to this part of our lamp. Okay, now finally we can put everything back together. When you finish, you should have something that looks like this. All right, now let's go check out the finished product and see what it looks like with the lights on. All right, y'all, now here is the finished product. Now, I really liked how this thing turned out. It was super duper easy to do, and it may not look 100% like the Wyatt family lantern, but it's pretty damn close. Now, if you like this video, please consider hitting that like and the share button. Head over to the Jazz and Marty Facebook page where we always put some updates on DIY and craft videos, alright? And like that, this will be the end. Peace.